Hey, do you have an Instagram account? Do you spend too much time creating content, but you don't get enough clients from Instagram yet? Don't worry, you're not alone. 9 out of 10 Instagram users have the same problem. But you can change that, and now I'm gonna show you how. I would like to introduce you to Folme, an Android app that will, first, collect your competitors' target audience. Usually it's about 1,000 accounts per day. Second, it will weed out all inactive accounts. About 300 accounts per day will remain. Third, Folme will do everything so that all these 300 accounts notice you. It will follow them, like their posts, view their stories, and also like them. Most of these people will pay attention to your account. Typically, about 100 accounts visit your profile, about 50 follow you back, and about 20 to 30 like your posts. And then Folme will direct message all these people and send them your offer. If you do it manually, it will take about 8 hours every day, but it can be automated. This is what Folme was designed for. It will take about 5 minutes to set it up, and it will allow you to get up to 1,000 real followers and up to 100 sales per month. So let's get started. But before we begin, we want to mention that it's better to have a separate phone for using Folme, because Folme is taking a lot of automatic actions on Instagram about 8 hours per day, and it will be inconvenient for you to use your own phone because you need it for a lot of other purposes throughout the day. So it's better to buy a new Android phone for Folme. It's not necessary to buy an expensive one. You can buy it for, let's say, $100. Okay, first, you need to download the app from the website and install it. As you can see, I've already installed it. Now, as an example, we're gonna use an Instagram account of a real estate agent. We need to go to Folme and add our username there. Then we need to choose a strategy. It's actions that we want our account to take. So there are 3 types of strategies: low, middle, and hard. So what strategy should you pick? It depends on how old your account is and how actively you use it. If you're a new Instagram user and your account was created less than 6 months ago, you should choose the low strategy. Your account is gonna follow up to 100 people per day. If your account was created 6 to 12 months ago and you are not the most active Instagram user, then you should choose the middle strategy. You're gonna follow up to 200 people per day. And last, if your account was created more than 1 year ago and you use it every day, you should select the hard strategy. You're gonna follow up to 300 people per day. Also, it's important to mention that each strategy includes warming your account up. Your account is gonna take a reduced number of actions for about a week, so that your Instagram activity will gradually increase. As for me, I'm gonna use the hard strategy. And then you need to set up working time for your account. I will set it up like this and click on Add Account. Then we need to enter 3 to 10 competitors' usernames. I already found some competitors, so I'm just gonna go to my notes and copy each of them and add to Folme one by one. And then you should click on Start Promotion. It will take you to the main page. Now we need to pay for the account. I click on Pay and I see that there are 3 plans that I can choose from. The basic rate plan allows you just to use the promotion strategy without any additional perks. I will talk about them further. Your account will be following your competitors' audience, liking their posts, viewing their stories, and sending direct messages to new followers. The effective rate plan is the same as the basic one, but you will also be able to filter your audience. It means that we will weed out all inactive or fake accounts, so you will interact with the most engaged audience. Also, we will help you to set up everything from the very beginning, and we will always be there for you to answer all your questions to ensure your campaign is successful. The remote effective rate plan is the same as the effective one, but you won't need an Android phone. It doesn't matter what device you have, because we will provide you with our own phone with a SIM card. Our manager will get in touch with you, and together we will go through the authentication process on our mobile device. We will set up everything so that you won't have to worry about anything. You will be able to see all the necessary statistics in the Folme interface, like how many people you followed, how many of them followed you back, how many posts you like, how many direct messages you send, etc. And also, you will see the results in your Instagram account itself. The number of following and followers will be increasing, and you will be receiving likes and replies in DM. So, we highly recommend using the effective rate plan because this rate plan is 2 times more effective in comparison to the basic one. But for the purposes of demonstration, I'm gonna use the basic rate plan and I'm gonna click on activate. As you can see, you will have a 7-day free trial first. Here you need to choose a payment method. In my case, it'll be a credit card, and I'm gonna put my email and my card details here. And then you should click on start free trial. Okay, click on back to selection and go to the main page. And now we need to click on launch. And now you need to enable accessibility service for Folme to be able to perform actions on your behalf. So you should click on enable, choose Folme, click on use Folme and click on allow. Okay, let's go back. Also, you will need to let this app display our other apps to be able to work. So you should click on enable and choose Folme. Okay, let's go back. It's only been a few minutes and we're almost done. As you can see, your Instagram account promotion has already started. The account is following the target audience, scrolling through the feed, liking posts, and taking other actions that a person usually takes on Instagram so that smart Instagram algorithm wouldn't suspect anything. Now, I'm gonna speed up the video because we wanna see what will happen in the next 8 hours, but we don't have that much time. Okay, it's been 24 hours and our account was actively working for 8 hours. Let's see how many accounts we followed and how many of them followed us back. If we click on the statistics icon, we will see that yesterday we followed 259 people. Let's go to Instagram and see how many accounts followed us back. It's 20 people, and some of them even liked our posts. These people could be our potential clients or partners or like-minded community. Well, that's a really great result because it's been just one day and people we followed may follow us several days later, since not everyone opens Instagram every day. It's something like an accumulative effect, the best result you will get in about a week. In general, you can expect 30 to 40 followers every day. So, what's next? We need to automate sending direct messages to everyone who followed us back. This is very effective because we will get into their primary folder. In here, you need to write good messages that will sell. To do that, we need to go to the upper right corner and choose lists. Here, we need to go to texts and click on add list. In the text type, we need to choose direct message and then we need to name our list. Let it be auto messages to new followers. And then you should click on add list. Now we need to click on this icon next to the settings icon and create several different messages. I've already created 5 different messages for people who could be interested in my services as a real estate agent. I'm gonna go to my notes again and copy those messages and add them to Folme. Please make sure that each new message starts on a new line. And then you should click on Save Texts. Now you need to go back to the main page and go to the account settings. Here you need to click on Turn on Auto Reply and choose a list you've just created. And click on Save Changes. And then you should click on Launch again. Folme will notice when someone has followed your account back and it will send them a message with your offer. If it's compelling and irresistible, then the client is yours. Now, I'm gonna speed up the video once again to see what will happen the next day. Okay, it's been 24 hours again and our account was actively working for another 8 hours. Let's see the statistics. We see that yesterday our account followed 244 people. If we go to the new followers tab, we will see that now it's 45 new followers instead of 20. So in the beginning it was 245 followers and now we have 290 followers. As I said earlier, it's like an accumulative effect. That's awesome. Let's go back to the Actions tab and see how many direct messages we sent. It's 36 messages. Great! Let's go to Instagram and see how many of them replied to us. Okay, we received 11 replies. And some of these people are even interested in working together. That's perfect. Now it's clear why you should spend time managing your Instagram account. And that's just in one day. Just imagine what you can get in a month. And yet the basic Folme plan costs only $29 per month. Okay, so let's sum up. What will you need? First, it's advisable to have your own Android phone with a Wi-Fi or a mobile network. Install Instagram and Folme on it. Second, if you don't have an Android phone and you don't want to buy it, then we can provide you with our own phone. Third, you need to find 3 to 10 competitors' accounts. It is desirable that they have more than 1,000 followers. And by the way, we can help you with that on the effective plan. And last, you will need about 5 minutes to set up Folme. That's it. Growing your Instagram account and driving more Instagram sales have never been easier. Install Folme right now and watch your account growing almost effortlessly.